This is a Parrot Beak Fantail farm from Gobichettipalayam, Bharat Farms. We are introducing a pondram. It is a golden color bird. It's a beautiful golden color bird. Lovely bird. Beautiful parrot beak with a round head. Lovely bright eyes. Solid fellow. Very handsome fellow. Beautiful tail. Lovely fan, long tail. It is very tempered tail. It's overall a beautiful bird. Lovely, lovely, sexy fellow. Great fellow. Lovely bird. Another beautiful white bird. It is having a peacock parrot beak. Lovely eyes. It's a milk white, royal white. It's a very cool and stylish fellow. Very nice bird. Lovely bird. With broad shoulders. Good fantail. Broad shoulders. Very heavy bird. Lovely bird. This is another white bird with a peacock. The one we saw before his own brother. Same father and mother. He is a second peacock white bird. Very stylish fella. Another handsome kiri. This is a lovely heavy beak, parrot beak, heavy parrot beak, golden with white spots. Beautiful fantail, lovely fantail, stylish fellow. The golden color bird. This is a black and orange, which is called as Nulan. Beautiful parrot beak. Very stylish parrot beak. It's a beautiful black and golden color male. Lovely bird. Super parrot beak. Very glamorous bird. Overall a lovely young bird. Is just 5.5 to 6 months old. Very beautiful tail. Just coming up. Since it's a pata, the tail is just coming up. Beautiful young male. Very promising bird for the breeding. Lovely male. Beautiful male for the breeding. Too young to breed, but once it matures, it will be a fantastic male bird. Beautiful kiri. This is another lovely parrot beak bird. Lovely kiri. Beautiful. He is around 10 months. Beautiful fantail. Lovely. Lovely bird. Very nice bird. Very nice bird. Beautiful. Beautiful bird. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It's a great bird for this farm. This is the kagam. A beautiful kagam, a very young kagam in the farm. Favorite kagam. Lovely beak. Oh, beautiful bird, lovely bird. Very, very, very nice bird. Beautiful bird. Lovely bird. Young bird. Must be around 5.5 to 6 months again. A young bird of this farm. Beautiful tail. Lovely tail. Very nice bird. Beautiful, lovely My young male. Lovely tail. This is another Nulon from the farm. Very nice Nulon. Very stylish Nulon. Beautiful tail for this pet. Beautiful tail. Lovely tail. Very glamorous and very colorful Nulon. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you from us. And happy Pongal wishes for you. Thank you.